On the pier, Paul?
No, I'm all good, Kev.
Yeah, okay, yeah, have that.
Very. Oh, yeah. That'll wake me up. What is it? About 5 in the morning?
You won't take long before the tide comes up.
No. Burley in the water. Track them beautiful fish. Couple of rocks on, make sure it doesn't go floating off. This one might be okay. I think I found one, Seymour.
Yeah, there's a grouping there too. Oh, no, no.
What's he
That's
doing?
not for you, it's for the fish.
Get out of that. Oi, come here, you.
You, it's him.
Good girl. You stay out of our food, please. Now, everybody being good.
It's the fish food, not you.
Oh, going for the bait. I think we're going to get something.
No, I don't think we get something. We're gonna get something.
Well, still got the bait and it is crab chewed. So there's crabs out there, they do this kind of a thing to it. And this little cockle, it's tried to eat it too, it's attached to the nylon. So change of bait, try again. I've noticed there's a lot of fish, a lot of small fish in this water behind me. So I've come up with this island style fishing line. It's just a Coke bottle, bit of nylon. You wrap it around like so. I've seen the island boys do it before, so I'm going to give it a test out and hopefully have a bit of luck with it. Hope I don't get a hook through my hand. Where's them dogs? Works alright. Might give that another cast. Need a bit more power. Hey dog. Just saw something jump. Plenty of little fish, see them. Much better cast. Quite happy with that. Hopefully a fish. Hey buddy. Well, as you can see, I'm definitely getting bites on it. It's only been in the water for 2 minutes. Probably just small fish. That's why I put a bit of squid on there. It's quite hard for their little mouths to tear it to pieces. Quite a good bait. So I'm hoping that, well, where there's little fish, big fish come and see what they're doing and they'll take the bait. Fingers crossed. Little fish. Oh, look at them all. Look at them all. Oh my goodness. If I had a throw net, I would be scooping them up. I've just thought of another idea. Fish trap. Cutting plastic always goes crooked. Not too bad, not too bad. Right, where's a rock? Watch out, buddy. Plenty of jumping fish. Face the blade away from fingers. Watch out, mate. Use teeth. Whoa, now that was a big splash. Something definitely chasing things out there. But this one have a little bit of fun. Trying to get some bait fish. Something to do to pass the time with my homemade bait catcher. Quickly and crudely made. Cool. One, two, three. You don't eat my bait, dog. Put some stones on it. You eat that, you're in big trouble, mate. Leave it. Right, so there she is. Bait catcher. Let's try it. Sink, you bugger, sink. Slowly sinking, slowly sinking. Bit in there. Leave it, naughty. Well, it's down there and it's sunk. Fish are hanging around it. Give it 5 minutes, see if we get anything. See if they can figure out how to get in. So I missed filming it sink because my dog ate my bait. Really got to watch these dogs. Oh, something jumping out there, good. So I've actually got my rod over this side now because there's just so much activity. I mean, something big's got to come in after these small fish. They're just jumping all over the place like fish jumping. And I saw a big swirl out here before, so I'm optimistic. And all those fish are hanging around my bait catcher, which is good. So this seems to be working a treat. One in there flapping around. Doesn't want to come out. There he is. Another little bait fish. So he's going on my line now. Use a fresh bait, which is good. Alright, so just can go back in the water. Really difficult thing to do. You basically just do this. Wait for a couple of minutes. Awesome. It's just becoming too easy. Another boy in there. There he is. Another bait fish. Cool. Fresh bait. Watch out, Mixie. Watch out, Lace. Good girl. Quite tasty raw. Well, this is becoming quite a success. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 in here. I'll get them out. It's just a bottle. Would you not believe it? So jam-packed they won't even come out. Here's one. Oh, he's a good size. 2, 3, 4. Number 5. So that can go back in. Fantastic. This is working great. Can't believe it. Oh. Something just had a go at my rod over there. Could be a big one. Yep. I've got something, I think. Well, I hope I've got something. Yep, fish on. Yep, definitely a fish. It doesn't feel big, but it's a fish. Here we go. This is what you call a kawai. Whew. So that was with one of my fresh baits. Got this kawai. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go see Seymour, and I'm going to take a little one so I've got a fish, and I'll pull this out of my pocket, which is completely ridiculous. I got another one.
Oh, kawai.
Yep. So we've got a bit of a feed there now. Ready for cooking. Should be tasty. Little impromptu cooking facility.
Coming pretty nicely there, Cassie.
Yeah, it's looking not too bad. Maybe just for makeshift cooking.
Nice. Even a fish like that will survive you about 2 days here in the bush.
Yep. Yep, that's quite tasty. 2 birds.
And if you have to catch a fish like that, I mean, by yourself all the time, you eat the guts too, and everything. And the best way to do it, you know, just scale it and cook the whole lot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You don't have to cut it out, anything.
Some here, Seymour, if you want.
Go hard, guys.
You want to try it? Have some?
Go hard, go it. Go do it, guys. At least you catch a few fish.
Little ones.
Make the main thing. Yeah. Got about 4 hours. It's a good meal.
Yeah, I was going to cook some up, then I caught this. I did eat one raw. Just fill it and eat it. Alright.
Yep. Nothing better than the fresh fish out from the sea. Cooked it or raw fish. Yeah.
Come on, buddy, it's time for home, eh? Come on. Follow Seymour.